graph of linear equation, graph of linear equation, graph of a linear equation into variables. Graph of linear equation. Keep heading, everyone. Graph of a linear equation graph of a linear equation into variables. Graph of a linear equation into variables. Graph of a linear equation into variables. Again, listen students, already you have learned how to plot the graph in the if they have given equation. Previously we have learned if there was only one variable, then how to plot the graph. Now today's class I am going to explain if linear equation in two variables are there, then how to plot the graphs. First concept, if I am plotting any graph, I want to draw first axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis will be horizontal and y-axis will be vertical. After that, we want to plot the graphs. After plotting graphs, you can mention scale right side to the corner. Are you getting my point, students, everyone? Yes. Yeah. With the help of examples, we are going to learn so many concepts. Note down example first. Example first. Draw the graph. Example first. Draw the graph of draw the graph of draw the graph of x plus y. X plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. This is the linear equation. Yes. Why linear equation? Because the degree of variables is 1. After that, this is linear equation in two variables. Yes. Why? Because x and y, two variables we are using here. Now we can say x plus y is equal to 6 is the linear equation in two variables. Now x plus y is equal to 6. We want to find out the value. After finding value, then we want to plot the graph. All students stop writing. Stop writing, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. Yes. Solution. Linear equation here is given x plus y is equal to 6. Linear equation is x plus y is equal to 6. Now, students always keep in mind if they have given linear equation in two variables, maximum y will keep one side and x will transfer to the other side. Then I can say here y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Now I want to draw one table. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write. I want to draw one table. X value, Y value. Listen carefully, everyone. First, I have assumed let the value of X is 0. Means in the place of X, I have substituted 0. Then 6 minus 0, what will come? 6. If X is equal to 1, in the place of X, I am substituting 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Again, I am taking the value of X is 2. Then 6 minus 2 is equal to what will come? 4. Again, I am taking X is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now I am taking minus value. If I am taking X is equal to minus 1, then answer will come 6 minus minus 1. Means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. If I have taken the value of X is minus 1, then Y has come. The value of X is minus 1, then Y has come 7. Again, I am taking the value of X is 4. Then 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Draw this table, everyone. Then first point has come, first coordinate has come 0, 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, minus 1, 7, and 4, 2. Now this point, this coordinate, we want to plot on the graph paper. Down or down? Now plot the points. Now plot the points. First point is 0, 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, minus 1, 7, and 4, 2 on the graph paper. On the graph paper. If you have graph paper, you can draw on the graph paper. Otherwise, you can draw normally on the notebook, no problem. Now, this point we want to plot on the graph paper. How to plot the graph? Firstly, I want to draw both axes. This is y axis. This is x axis. Now I want to check highest value of plus x. Highest value of plus x, 4. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. Next, highest value of plus y. 6 is there. Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, highest value of minus x, minus 1 is there. Right? Now we want to plot the graph. First point he has given 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. This is first point, 0, 6. Second, 1, 5. X is 1, y is 5. X is 1, y is 5. This point is 1, 5. Next point is x is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is 4. This point has come 2, 4. Next, x is 3, y is 3. This line is called supporting line. Dotted line is called supporting line. 3, 3. Next, x is -1, y is 7. Then it will go up also. One more point I am taking. X is 4, y is 2. 4, 2. One more point is there, -1, 7. -1, 7 is there. I want to plot. X is -1, y is 7. -1, 7. Now we want to join. Sorry, this is not point, beta. This point will come here. X is -1, y is 7. This is the point. This point is called -1, 7. This point is called -1, 7. Yeah. Now I want to join these points. When you will join this point, students, this line will be straight line. This line will be straight line. Now this line is called, x plus y is equal to 6. Now what scale I have taken here? I have taken a scale. I have taken a scale here. One unit is equal to 1 centimeter. And this line is called x plus y is equal to 6. Now this is the final graph. Draw everyone firstly. Example 2. Draw the graph of y is equal to 4x. Draw the graph of y is equal to 4x. Already in this question, he has given y value one side and x value one side. Then no need to change. Simply I can draw the table. Solution. Equation he has given y is equal to 4x. I want to draw table. Depends on you students how many solution you are getting. 3, maximum 3 or 4, you can take the value. Okay. Yes. Yeah. First I am assuming if the value of x is 0, the value of x is 0, then y also will be 0. The value of x is 1, y will be 4. The value of x is 2, y will be 8. The value of x is minus 1, then y will be minus 4. Only I'm taking 4 points. Now points, first point will come 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 8, and minus 1, minus 4. Now plot the points. Now plot the points. First point is 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 8, and minus 1, minus 4. Now this point we want to plot on the graph paper. Now I am going to plot this graph. Firstly, I want to draw axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, I will write here x, x dash, y, y dash, yeah. Yes. Now, firstly, I want to check what is the highest value of plus x, 2. Then I will write here 0. This is 0, 1, 2. Next, highest value of minus x, minus 1, minus 1. Next, highest value of plus y, plus 8. 8 is the highest value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Okay. Yeah, 6, 7, 8. Now I want to plot this graph. How to plot this graph? First point is 0, comma 0. Means the value of x is 0. The value of y is 0. First point will come origin point. 0, comma 0. This is the origin point. Okay. Second, the value of x is 1. The value of y is 4. Means 1, comma 4. X is 1. Y is 4. X is 1. Y is 4. I will draw supporting line. This point is what? 1, comma 4. Next, third point he has given 2, comma 8. The value of x is 2. The value of y is 8. This point has come 2, comma 8. Next point, the value of x is -1. The value of y is -4. -4 means down. -1, comma 4. -1, comma 4. -1, comma 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. X is -1, y is -4. X is -1, y is -4. This point has come -1, comma -4. Now we want to join this line, this point. Now this line is called y is equal to what? What is the equation here? Y is equal to 4x. Y is equal to 4x. Y is equal to 4x. Now this equation is, this line is called y is equal to 4x. Always students keep in mind, if I want to draw any linear equation, that graph will always will come straight line. If your graph is coming zigzag, your answer is wrong. Now this graph, this line is called y is equal to 4x. Now right to the corner, I want to mention scale. I have written scale here. 1 unit is equal to, what we have assumed here, 1 centimeter. Now this is the final graph. Any graph they have given students, firstly we want to write y variable one side and other will be other side. After that, I want to find out the solution of the given equation. Now first solution has come here. First solution is 0, comma 0. Why 0, comma 0 has come? When I am substituting in the place of x 0, then y has come 0. In the place of x, I have substituted 1. Then 4 into 1, 4 has come. If I am taking the value of x is 2, then 4 into 2, 8 has come. Next, if the value of x is -1, if the value of x is -1, then answer has come -4. Yes. Next, now this point, how to make in the points, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0, then point will come 0, comma 0, 1, comma 4, 2 comma 8 minus 1 comma minus 4. Now this point we want to plot on the graph paper. But students, always keep in mind, so when you are plotting any graph, this distance will be equal distance, because when you are using the graph paper on the time, the distance, equal distance will be there. This gap will be equal distance only. And this line will be straight line. If your line is coming zigzag, your answer is what? Wrong. Your figure is wrong. Because y is equal to 4x. This is the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation means that line will become always straight line. Draw this figure, everyone. And don't forget to mention scale. Scale is very, very important. And scale always will mention right side to the corner. Completed, everyone? Yeah, keep star points, everyone. First star points. First star points. A linear equation in one variable. Keep first star points. A linear equation in one variable. A linear equation in one variable. A linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Has a unique solution. What is the meaning of unique? Unique means one. Unique solution. If linear equation in one variable, that solution will be unique solution. Second star points. A linear equation in two variables. A linear equation. A linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely, infinitely many solutions. Now students, I have given here 2 points. Some students are saying, sir, whatever point you have given, we are not agree with that. How you can explain with the help of examples? Linear equation in one variable has only one solution. A linear equation in two variable has infinitely solution. Now I am going to explain these 2 points. This 2 point is right or wrong. Listen carefully, everyone. All students stop writing. Stop writing, everyone. Suppose I have written x plus 3 is equal to 7. Listen carefully, everyone. I have written first equation, x plus 3 is equal to 7. This is linear equation. Yes. How this is linear equation? Highest degree of the variable is 1. This is linear equation. Then one variable or two variable? One variable. And first point he has given a linear equation in one variable has a one solution. Now I want to check in the place of x, which value I will substitute, it will become 7. In the place of x, what value I will take? Suppose I am assuming this method is called trial and error method. Suppose I am taking x is equal to 0, then 0 plus 3, 3. X is equal to 1. 1 plus 3, 4. X is equal to 2. 3 plus 2, 5. X is equal to 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now, if x is equal to 4, then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now, you are observing, students, here, the linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Now this question we can solve also, we can use by trial and error method. If you are solving, that method is called transposition method. Means, what is the meaning of transposition? If I want to transpose variable or constant from one side to the other side, that is called transposition method, and this method is called trial and error method. Now x plus 3 is equal to 7, then x is equal to 7 minus 3. Why minus 3? Plus quantity becomes minus, then x has come 4. Now you are observing, students, this is linear equation in one variables. It has only one solution. It has only one solution. Always keep in mind, students, if they have given linear equation in one variable, there will be how many solution? More than one, infinitely, exactly one.